To use Smart View on your Samsung TV, start by ensuring your TV and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for a seamless connection. Next, go to your mobile device and download the SmartThings app, which is available for both Android and iOS devices. Once the app is installed, launch it and create an account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, tap on the Devices tab and then click on Add Device. The app will search for available devices and display your Samsung TV. Select it to initiate the connection process. On your Samsung TV, go to Settings, then select Connection, and finally choose Mobile Device. Your TV will display a PIN. Enter this PIN on your mobile device to complete the connection. You can now use your mobile device to control your TV, stream content, and even mirror your device's screen to the TV. To mirror your screen, go to the SmartThings app, select your TV, and then tap on the Mirror Screen option. This will cast your mobile device's screen to your TV, allowing you to view content on a larger display. You can also use the app to stream content from your mobile device to your TV, making it easy to share photos, videos, and music with others. To ensure a stable connection, make sure your TV and mobile device are always connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Also, keep your SmartThings app and TV software up to date to get the latest features and improvements. By following these steps and tips, you can easily use Smart View on your Samsung TV and enjoy a more convenient viewing experience.